Welcome to Wolf Nest, your trusted property management in Salt Lake City, Utah. We're diving into a powerful strategy every property owner should embrace, creating a 5-year property performance plan. How to strategize like a pro. Number 1. Define your investment goals. Long-term success starts with clarity. Are you aiming for maximum cash flow, property appreciation, or expanding your portfolio? When your real estate goals align with your personal life goals, your plan becomes not only effective, but motivating. Number 2. Analyze current property performance. You need a starting point. Break down each property's numbers, net income, cash returns, occupancy, and maintenance trends. A clear performance snapshot helps you spot the winners and identify those needing immediate attention. Number 3. Forecast market trends. Understanding Utah's real estate market is key. Research local job growth, rental demand, and upcoming developments. These insights allow you to plan upgrades, adjust rents, or time property sales with confidence. Number 4. Plan for capital improvements. No property stays perfect forever. Create a timeline for upgrades, like roofing, HVAC, or kitchen remodels, and estimate return on investment. In Salt Lake City's climate, energy-efficient upgrades are especially valuable. Number 5. Optimize rent and occupancy. Strategically review rents each year, create pricing flexibility, and offer incentives during slow seasons. Retaining great tenants while keeping your rent competitive is how you win in the long run. Number 6. Build a maintenance strategy. Stay ahead of surprises. Schedule seasonal inspections and budget for annual repairs. In Utah's cold winters, winterization and heating checks should always be on your checklist. Number 7. Review financing and equity options. Explore refinancing, leverage equity, and consider tax-saving tools like 1031 exchanges. Regularly assess your finances to fuel portfolio growth and boost your net equity. Number 8. Build a risk mitigation plan. Every plan needs a safety net. Have strong insurance, emergency reserves, legal guidance, and quality contractors ready. Solid tenant screening is your first defense against loss. Number 9. Review and adjust annually. The real estate market changes. Your strategy should too. Revisit your plan every year to track progress, analyze performance, and refine your next steps. Number 10. Consider professional property management. Execution is everything. A professional team can streamline communication, handle maintenance, ensure legal compliance, and provide local market expertise that turns your plan into profit. Creating a 5-year property performance plan isn't just smart, it's essential for sustainable success. If you're a property owner in Utah ready to take your investment strategy to the next level, Wolf Nest is here to help. We handle the details so you can focus on growth. Contact Wolf Nest, your trusted partner in Utah property management.